Today, Bill and Phil are making the fastest and easiest breakfast you can recreate at home.
Don't forget to subscribe so you won't lose this recipe later.
Phil slices the baguette into pieces about 2 centimeters thick.
Perfect size, sturdy, but still tender.
Meanwhile, Bill heats up the pan.
Next, Phil grates the cheese, generously and carefully.
Bill adds a piece of butter, saying it makes everything taste richer.
Tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what your favorite breakfast is.
We might recreate it in the next episode.
One egg goes into the grated cheese. Simple and effective.
At the same time, Bill toasts a baguette on just one side.
Important detail: the other side stays untouched.
Phil finally chops the onion to keep the flavor balanced.
Fresh herbs go in, parsley and green onions.
Phil is already done on his side, calmly waiting.
Phil mixes everything well, seasoning with salt and pepper.
Phil carefully spreads the mixture onto the baguette.
Bill turns back to the pan. Heat control is key here.
Attention now! The baguettes go mixture side down.
Two minutes frying, then cover and cook 2 more minutes on low heat.
This is where the flavor comes together.
Bill carefully plates the breakfast.
Phil finishes with fresh herbs on top. It looks absolutely inviting.
It's time to taste.
Crispy bag, soft filling, buttery aroma.
A simple recipe worth saving.
This is the kind of breakfast that makes the morning better.